in the class. Okay, I hope you had got your homeworks on time yesterday. I'd sent in them yesterday only. सबको मिल गया था homework time पे खालिदा, you got your homework? Okay. Okay, great. So let's start. I'll first start with Maru. Yes, Maru.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Okay, Maru, what topic have you selected?
Mm, Teamwork. I've selected.
Teamwork.
Yeah.
Okay, help me understand, why do you think teamwork is important?
Because if you assign any tasks from your company or your colleagues, so it is the compulsory to do with your team with the efficiency with the on time. So it is compulsory
Okay,
sometimes.
so is it better to work alone or in a team?
It is depend on the work. If we get a project, we will complete on a if we take many months or many days to complete it and the client told us that we require it is urgently, then we must to do teamwork on that.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
give me one instance where you were a part of a team and you did better as compared to when you would have worked alone?
Recently, I did a job. The job name was NSK Healthcare Limited. Okay, so that was a bigger job in my life. So client sent me that it's the audit permanent. We will give to the auditor for the job. Okay, so first of all, you they give me deadline only 3 days. So on that time, I told my manager that I cannot complete it in the 3 days. So I require other team member to complete it. Okay. So first of all, he told me that you can choose it any month which you want. You are right. So I have selected some person that which I know that they can do work with me with efficiency. That after that, when he completed it, I uh, don't get because I don't have a time to review it. That's why I selected with a who have a good efficiency, who have a good knowledge in my team. On that time, I selected. So that's we must work on teamwork uh, sometimes.
Okay. What is
It
the
is
biggest advantage of working in a team?
uh, because there's a no communication gap when we doing work as a teamwork. Okay, so first of all, we complete it on a time. If we have a lots of work and we give it to the client on a time, so that on that time that would be great for the teams also or for the management also.
Good. Okay, great. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
welcome.
Okay, Khurshid.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Yes, Khurshid, what's the topic?
This sorry, justice.
Justice. Okay.
Justice very deep, but I
Okay,
will try.
what is the difference between justice and revenge?
Yeah. I think it is a fully opposite thing. Revenge,
जस्टिस में भी
revenge,
तो हम बदला ही लेते हैं, किसी ने मेरे साथ कुछ गलत किया तो उसके साथ मैं वैसे ही करूं, दैट इज जस्टिस। मुझे इंसाफ मिल गया अगर उसके साथ बुरा हुआ तो। और जब हम बदला लेते हैं तो भी हम यही करते हैं कि हमें अपने इंसाफ के चक्कर में दूसरे का नुकसान कर देते हैं। तो फर्क क्या है?
justice and revenge.
जी।
दोनों हक हैं। इसमें तो
दोनों
हमें
हक
तो
है? हिंदी की क्लास है ये?
सॉरी both of are right. Uh,
अच्छा, which
suppose
do you prefer? Like, okay, let's twist the question in a way, like if I talk about you, which do you prefer? Do you prefer justice or do you prefer revenge?
justice.
Why?
Revenge. Revenge. It may be possible. It may be that I do more than him. Suppose he
Okay,
slapped me one
understood.
hand, I
हाँ,
slapped him two hand.
okay, okay,
It may be
good.
possible in revenge,
हम्म
but in justice it is not possible.
ठीक है, okay. Okay, so do you think laws always ensure justice?
laws. It is like it is. I think it is depend on like a person. But I am Muslim, so
तो
I
आई एम मुस्लिम
sorry,
तो
I am Muslim. That's why I follow Islamic law.
हम्म तो अब चलो ओके अकॉर्डिंग टू इस्लामिक लॉज इज इट पॉसिबल टू ऑलवेज बी जस्ट गिव जस्टिस टू एवरीवन
Sorry.
even if we talk about Islamic laws, is it possible for us to always give justice to everyone?
Uh, it is. I think it is possible, but because I am not creator, I am human, so maybe mistake.
So
But
maybe mistake.
sorry, therefore be mistake.
Okay. Okay, so what should everyone be treated the same even if they make mistakes? Because
Suppose two-person commits same crime,
hmm,
so uh, both get same punishment.
okay. Is forgiveness also a part of justice?
Part of justice depend on person. If I want to forgive him, I can.
So will it be considered justice?
Yes,
Why?
because I don't want to revenge with him, and I want to forgive him. It's justice because I want. It is my personal.
Okay. Why do you think justice is important for the society as a whole?
Yes, justice is important. Where justice is done, there people feel peace, and they live without fear. If I do any commit and another person do any commit, they will be punished same without biasness, reason, या money, या any past race. If
Okay.
I suppose if I there is no any justice, what I do what I want. So how can I grow our country and society?
Hmm. Okay. Good. Good point. Good. Thank you so much. Ahani, जिनका टर्न नहीं
Assalamualaikum.
हुआ है प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स ऑल ऑफ यू यू आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आई कैन मिस आउट ऑन द नेम्स सो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स सो दैट आई डू नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक yes
Assalamualaikum.
walaikum assalam hani yes what topic have you chosen
I chose climate change, but I am little nervous
why
to speak on this topic
why
because, ma'am, I don't know more about.
why did you choose when you don't know about it
Ma'am, I know, but
Acha,
not
what
too
so,
much.
okay let me start with the easiest question what is climate change
And climate change that means a long term changes in the earth weather.
on the in the earth's weather okay okay fine so have
Yeah,
you noticed any climate change recently
ma'am. There is lots of climate change that extremely heat waves and heavy rain and
floods nahi floods
floods.
okay what can we do to stop this climate change
We can
चल
do
उससे पहले का सवाल can we stop climate change
yeah, we can
stop
that we can stop climate change, that we can do plant more and trees, save electricity and water, and avoid plastic.
तो इसके इससे हम कम कर सकेंगे या खत्म कर सकेंगे खत्म आपको लगता है हम खत्म कर सकते हैं क्लाइमेट चेंज
Yeah, ma'am, if we all do we if we all do to stop climate change, so we can.
ओके ओके नेम वन थिंग दैट वी कैन डू टू स्टॉप क्लाइमेट चेंज एक एग्जांपल एक कोई कोशिश आप बताओ कि हाँ हम ये करेंगे तो क्लाइमेट चेंज रुकने के चांसेस हैं
Okay, that save electricity and water. That is
बोलो
Ma'am, can I take 1 minute?
नहीं, because we have a lot of students to take care of. Continue.
Okay. About that electricity and water are very important for our life.
Hmm.
We use them every day for light, fans, and cooking.
Hmm.
So we should save electricity by turning off light, fans, and
Okay.
TV when not in use.
Okay.
And
Okay.
s-
ठीक है, good.
thank you.
नागुल मीरा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैडम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर जी, सर बताइए.
टीम वर्क मैडम, आई चूज टीम वर्क।
Okay. Why did you choose teamwork? First question.
It is essential for every field madam. In our life it is essential for every field because
Okay.
teamwork, because lack of teamwork we don't do any work sufficiently. Its work is not do good.
Okay.
uh,
Okay. So in a teamwork, can anyone be given any work, or do we have to divide the work for
in a
proper
teamwork
functioning?
uh, in a teamwork we can divide the work and we working together to gain a
Okay.
success
Divide the, but
in the
how
work.
should the work be divided? कैसे divide किया जाए वो काम?
Uh, it is depend on the everyone's strengths and we firstly we talk about each other. We gain we complete this work. What we do, what would do we do? So we talk. Everyone chance to speak his ideas, his opinions, and also leader is ask everyone what should you do this successfully complete this work. What should you do? And everyone he ask everyone they can do. I can do this work. I can do this work sufficiently. This type the work is added into each other.
Okay. So what do you think is more important, teamwork or individual talent?
uh, Individual teamwork is more important madam.
Why?
He- we do work with the teamwork. The work completes faster and give more results. But if a person had talent, but he works alone, then the work is slow and sometimes he feels reduced. He feels stress also.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you madam.
Okay, Kanis.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm good, alhamdulillah. A bit tired, but good. Okay, so what's your topic?
My topic name is teamwork.
Okay, why has everyone chosen teamwork? Okay. What do you think what do you think should be the quality of a leader who is working on a team?
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
जो भी टीम का लीडर होता है उसकी एक अच्छी क्वालिटी बता दीजिए कि उसमें ये क्वालिटी तो होनी ही चाहिए किसी भी टीम को चलाने के लिए.
Ma'am, honesty. Uh, Honesty, and he is calm. He always do her best
ही
for
के
team.
साथ ये ही चलते चलते लड़की कैसे बन गया कि हर काम हो गया तो है.
He is always do his best for team. If we accept anything to do, so do with his 100%.
Okay. तो is it possible to have arguments in a team? आर्ग्यूमेंट का मतलब होता है बहसबाजी.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Sometimes it's a possible in arguments in team because if you share your ideas and in the
आइडा.
front of
ओके, गो अहेड.
ideas,
आइडिया है, आइडा नहीं है.
ideas and other people don't like your ideas, then it is a possible that time argument will be started.
How do you solve such arguments?
uh, with underst- understand in the front of people, whatever whatever they say, uh, and
So
and
what's
listen.
okay? So what can go wrong if team members don't support each other?
If they don't support each other, then their work will not completed, and the result will be not good.
Okay. Okay, Kanish, thank you so much. Good. Atia.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी। अतिया, क्या टॉपिक है?
Equality.
Equality. Okay, Athiya, what do you understand by equality?
Equality means we can get to everyone in every field
वी
equal.
कैन क्या? दोबारा से बोलो, गड़बड़ किया।
We can get to everyone in every field.
नहीं,
Same. Okay.
वी कैन गेट एवरीवन इन एवरी फील्ड का तो मतलब हुआ हम सबको सब फील्ड में पकड़ सकते हैं।
Okay. We can get a chance in every field.
ओके,
It is good, no?
हाँ ठीक है। ओके, तो व्हाई डू वी नीड इक्वालिटी?
Um, uh, uh, we can because of we need to equality because we can live we cannot live in society. If we can live in society, we need to equality.
But people are living in society and still there we are seeing so much
But sometimes,
inequality.
yes ma'am, sometimes they face everything. They face trouble if they they don't give equality uh, in every field.
Can you
Like
give me one example where people are not facing equality, people are not behaving equally and they are facing problems?
ma'am, in education system, like poor and rich people go to in like a private school, and poor people don't go to in private school because they have no money. So this is the reason. And also uh, uh, male or female gender equality,
Okay.
these are.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you so much, Atya. Shagufta?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Shagufta, which topic?
Team lead, teamwork.
Teamwork. Okay. Have you ever worked under a team leader?
Just now I become leader
You
1 month
became a
back.
leader. Okay. So, as a team leader, what is the biggest challenge you have faced?
Biggest challenge, I have to check out the data analyst. The reports are coming from each team working there. They are working compat compatibility with others and completing their work on time. And just they are came for time pass. I should monitor all.
Okay. And if you ever face any kind of arguments, what action do you take to solve that?
I see whenever the teams will get arguments, I don't listen any argument. I just see how much work they are completed right now. The argument should be kept on
But what
outside,
if
not
what
in
if
the
the
company.
argument is related to work itself? What if two people are presenting different opinions and they're not able to come to a conclusion? So how do you intervene as a team leader in that situation?
As a team leader and behind with me is managers is there. So and CU is there. They're not giving the authority to decide any big decision to team workers.
नहीं नहीं,
It
आई एम
is
नॉट,
a decision.
बहुत बड़ा कोई डिसीजन नहीं, लेकिन आपके अंडर में कोई टीम है, उसमें कुछ भी बहसा बहसी अगर हो गई है तो आप उसको शांत करने की तो कोशिश करोगी ना, तो व्हाट विल बी
I
योर अप्रोच?
I I look what is the benefit for company, how the company will get the profit, for which idea will going to work the company. I always think where the company will get progress, not for in much better much pretty one interested in their arguments. I always listen which idea should be work out, and which progress will be bring the company status in the higher level.
Okay. So what do you value more, teamwork or individual talent?
If team leader don't have individual talent, I think he
No,
is
no,
not a good
not for
leader.
you. I'm not asking on you. I'm asking about, like, as a team leader in your teammates, what do you want? You value their individual talents, or you look at the work of the whole team as one unit?
Obviously, I observe individual talents, but dealing team leader also have the capacity to work alone. Also, if team leaders, anyone has left, anyone has ill, he is not coming to office, anyone is leave, the team leader had a capacity to complete that task also.
Okay, okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next is Khalida. Please unmute.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, Khalida, your first word is technology.
Technology. Technology is very easy to our life.
No.
Technology is easy in our life.
No. Technology makes our life easy.
Technology makes our life easy.
Okay. Next is friendship.
Friendship.
Hmm.
Uh, uh,
Okay. Next word is rain.
yes, ma'am.
Rain. RAIN. Rain.
Rain. Uh, uh, Rain is very important to trees, plants.
Okay. Next is school.
School.
Hmm.
My school is very big, and my school has many students studying. My school has 6 to 12th class.
Okay. Last word for you is picnic.
Picnic. When my school has holiday, I plan to my friends. Yesterday, mm, yesterday, we are go to picnic.
ना, yesterday we are कैसे हो जाएगा जब yesterday है तो we went नहीं होगा? और गो
Yesterday,
फर्स्ट
went,
फॉर्म क्यों लगा रही हो? सेकंड फॉर्म नहीं लगेगी जब पास्ट है तो?
yesterday we went to picnic.
ओके, ठीक है, गुड.
Jazakallah.
वैयाकुम खैर. साद.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. जिन लोग का टर्न अभी नहीं हुआ है, अमीरा, सफिया, सूफिया, हफीज, आसिफ, सुमैया, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके साद, व्हाट टॉपिक?
Ma'am, my topic is equality.
Equality. Okay. How important do you think is equality to run the world?
Ma'am, equality is most important in this generation. Uh, Everyone gets equal opportunities to grow and succeed, and reduce discrimination in society, and people live with respect and dignity, and equal peace and unity among people, and building a strong nation, and equality, and people also misuse the equality. Sometimes people misuse equality for personal gain and ignore individual talent or hard work, and not take responsibility, expect equal results, and differences in skills and efforts make complete quality difficult to achieve, and hard to maintain true equality,
Okay.
and
Now next question to you is, can you give me a one incident where you felt that equality was not there or not done?
ma'am, equality uh, uh, in generation is
आप
not.
अपनी लाइफ से एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर बताइए, मुझे जनरल नहीं बताना है।
Ma'am, my life.
यस।
Ma'am, equality is most important, ma'am. I don't know how can I give my life example.
Why not? Have you ever seen? I'm not asking you to give your life example. I'm asking you, आपने कहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया है, कहीं देखा है?
Yes, ma'am. Equality take caste, religion, gender, and color, money.
ओके ओके। ओके गुड। थैंक
Yes,
यू।
ma'am.
असद। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। असद, जहां पर आप हो वहां से हट जाओ अगर पॉसिबल हो तो, बहुत आवाज आ रही है पीछे से।
ये मैं क्लिनिक पे हूँ, बोतल लगा।
तो अभी थोड़ा फिर आपसे फिर एंड में ही बात हो पाएगी, देख लो आप क्या करना है फिर, क्योंकि पीछे से आवाज काफी तेज आ रही है।
तबीयत खराब है, बोतल लगाया हूँ, उसके लिए कहीं जा नहीं सकते।
ओके फाइन। आसिफ। आसिफ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। ओके आसिफ, योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज इंटरनेट।
Internet is to help us to connect in anywhere through call.
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फ्रीडम।
Mm, Wait, um,
प्लीज डोंट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम।
मैम फ्रीडम
ओके
से
फाइन।
समझ में नहीं आया।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वोटिंग।
वोटिंग,
यस, VOTING, वोटिंग।
vote uh, for selection of Vote. Voting is a right for the human being to elect the MLA,
Okay.
to elect the MLA.
Next word for you is education.
Education is very important for our life, for a good life.
For our life, for a good life. ये कैसा सेंटेंस हुआ? दोबारा बनाए.
Education is very important to make your life.
क्या? To make your life क्या?
To make your life good.
Okay, ठीक है, thank you. Saima.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Saima, what was your topic?
Ma'am, equality.
Okay. Do you practice equality?
Yes, ma'am.
Always?
Yes, ma'am.
Is forgiveness a part of equality?
What, ma'am?
Is forgiveness a part of equality?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, if we do equality, automatically we can forgive.
How? How is equality similar to forgiveness?
Ma'am, equality is the is a fairness.
नहीं, equality का मतलब होता है बराबरी, सबको बराबर चांस.
Equality. Yes, ma'am. When we are on equality, we can automatically do give.
How can we forgive someone when we are on equality? How is it? Explain. Okay, thank you so much. Rubina.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Rubina, what is your topic?
My topic is teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever worked with a team?
Yes, ma'am. When I was teaching in the school, I was worked under a team.
I worked under a team. Was the
Yes,
answer.
I worked. Yes, I worked under a team.
What is one lesson you have learned from working with others?
Mm, I learned so many things with others. Why? Because like if you are doing something and everything is divided into equally parts and they are doing their own work and I do my own work and
Rubina, is there something wrong with your mobile set or you are using headphones?
actually, ma'am, there is a Wi-Fi issue in the building and I
No,
think
your
that's why
voice
it's
is
not.
actually echoing. It's not about your connection. Connection ठीक है, your voice is echoing, गूंज रही है आवाज.
Ma'am,
Okay. Next question to you is, have you what do you how do you feel when when your ideas are not heard in a team? How would you feel if your ideas are not heard in a team?
I feel hurted when my ideas are not working in a team.
हर्टेड कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है.
Hurt. Sorry, I got hurt when my ideas was not work in a team
was
and
जब
my
आइडियाज हैं तो फिर was क्यों आएगा? कई सारे आइडियाज हैं तो was क्यों आएगा? was तो सिंगल के साथ
okay,
लगता है.
okay. I feel hurt when my idea not work in a team.
मैंने हर्ड बोला था, वर्क नहीं पूछा था मैंने आपसे. तो वर्क कैसे लगा रही हैं आप? माई आइडिया वॉज नॉट हर्ड होगा ना. माई आइडिया वॉज नॉट वर्क कैसे आएगा? What did you do to make others listen to your idea then?
First, I will explain my whole idea.
एक बात मुझे बताओ, आप पास्ट टेंस में जब बात कर रही हो तो फिर विल कैसे यूज कर रही है? ये तो बेसिक्स हैं आपके, ये बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर होने चाहिए आप लोगों के.
Yes,
आप अपना पुराना टाइम बता रही हो ना, जब आप टीचिंग करती थी, तो विल कैसे यूज कर रहे हो आप?
okay.
जी बताएं.
Okay, I explain my ideas. I explain my idea to them, and I make them understand what is the actual point.
What is पास्ट में is लग रहा है.
What was the idea of my point?
What was the idea of my point? What was the point of my idea? क्या होना चाहिए?
Mom, I'm getting confused and I'm getting stuck in between. I don't know what to
See,
do.
this is something you are going to help yourselves with. इसमें मैं आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकती अब. I am
Ma'am,
getting stuck. I
this
am
is the
not able to. तो इसके
ma'am, this
लिए
is
मेरे
the
पास
main
कोई
problem.
इलाज नहीं है. Nobody has any medicine for all this. ये आपका अपना पर्सनल है, इसको आपको अपने आप ही ओवरकम करना है. इसके लिए कोई इलाज नहीं होता. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई यूज टू डू. वो मैं बता चुकी हूँ आपको, सब कुछ बता चुकी हूँ क्या क्या करना है. उसके बाद भी अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो फिर वो आप ही को सॉल्व करनी है. उसमें अब मैं या जकरिया सर कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. आई एम सो सॉरी. आपका बेसिक्स अगर क्लियर नहीं है, फिर वही बात आती है कि हम लिख लेते हैं, हम यूज नहीं कर पाते. मैं डांट भी आपको इसीलिए पढ़ रही क्योंकि आप बेसिक्स में ही कंफ्यूज हो. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू वांटेड कॉन्वर्जेशंस. अब सेंटेंस मेकिंग में ही अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो कॉन्वर्जेशन कैसे किया जाए? ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. इरम परवीन.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. ओके इरम, योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मोबाइल.
Mobile is useful for everything. Sometimes it's bad.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बुक.
It's bad.
बुक BOOK के बुक.
Book. Every book give us a new lesson to learn something new.
ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वाटर.
Water. Water is necessary for us.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एजुकेशन.
Education is very important in our life.
How long are you
That
guys going to
we can
make
understand easily.
that we can?
that we can understand everything easily
ओके, ठीक है।
when we are educated.
ओके, असद अंसारी।
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। ओके असद, योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज टेक्नोलॉजी।
Technology, technology is very important. Very much easy in our life
एजुकेशन।
because. Sorry, ma'am.
एजुकेशन।
आवाज कट रही है।
एजुकेशन, आप ही का नेटवर्क इशू है इधर। मेरी आवाज कट रही है क्या सुमैया?
Education.
ओके जी, एजुकेशन।
Yes, education very important. Because
एक बात
we
बताइए
can
असद, आपको मैं जो भी वर्ड दूंगी आप वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट से ही शुरू करने वाले हैं? कल भी आपने सारे सेंटेंसेस ऐसे ही शुरू किए थे, आज भी आप यही काम कर रहे हैं?
we- कुछ ऐसे तो पढ़ा है।
जी
Ma'am, my health is not well. I admit.
It's not about admission. I know your English is not well. None of yours English was very well. But there are some people जिन्होंने improvement किया है. When is your turn for that?
Yeah.
Next word for you is school.
School. School. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Safia.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Safia. Okay, your first word, Safia, it is education.
Education is very important.
मैंने अभी एक को डांटा, आपको भी डांट खानी है?
नो मैम, मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद आज ही क्लास ली हूँ, इसलिए
क्यों?
मेरी तबीयत खराब थी इसी वजह से।
अच्छा चलो चलो ठीक है, ओके। बॉटल।
बॉटल।
मैम इतना टाइम नहीं लेना है आपकी। आपकी आवाज सफिया, इतना टाइम आई कैन नॉट गिव यू, आई एम सो सॉरी। आप या तो जल्दी बनाइए या बताइए, आगे बढ़ूं मैं।
आगे बढ़े।
मतलब आपको नहीं बोलना है आज?
नहीं मैम, नहीं बन पा
आवाज, आपकी आवाज गड़बड़ हो रही है, दोबारा दूर से बोलिए थोड़ा।
नहीं बन पा रही है मैम।
ठीक है, फाइन, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। सुमैया। जिनका,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। एक मिनट, जिनका टर्न रह गया है प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स। अगर रह जाएगा आपका टर्न तो प्लीज डू नॉट ब्लेम मी फॉर इट। मैं बहुत बार कह चुकी हूँ ये चीज, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स। ओके सुमैया, यस, योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज इंटरनेट।
Internet makes our life good.
इंटरनेट क्या?
Internet makes our life good.
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फ्रीडम।
We all have some freedoms.
नहीं।
We every country have a freedom.
नहीं.
We have freedom of education.
किसने बताया?
No, not all.
पीछे तो है साथ में कोई. I can hear someone's voice with you.
Now my mother and father tell him about room.
Okay.
Talk about room.
Okay, your next word is language.
I like Urdu language.
Okay. Next is reading.
Reading is very important in your life.
Why?
It learn new skills.
रीडिंग से कौन सी स्किल आ रही है?
That shapes our lives. That shapes our lives.
Reading shapes our lives. How?
It is a key that unlocks the door to a wealth of knowledge, imagination, and endless possibilities.
Okay. Last word for you is eating.
Every day we eat.
Eating.
Every day we eating.
नहीं, गलत है.
Eating is very important.
You also want to get scolded by me? डांट खानी है आपको भी ऐसे सेंटेंस बना के?
Every person eating 3 times on a day.
नहीं, गलत. ईट से बनाओ. अच्छा चलो, ईट से बनाओ.
We eats.
वी के साथ एस कैसे लग रहा है? वी ईट होगा या वी ईट्स होगा?
We eat.
आगे.
We eat many times.
डांट ही खानी है इसका मतलब आपको इस तरीके के सेंटेंस बना के, है ना?
We eat at school 2 times.
ओके, ठीक है. सोफिया.
सलामकुम मैम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. सोफिया, आप उसमें हैं, टॉपिक में हैं, आप सेंटेंसेस में नहीं हैं.
My topic is teamwork, ma'am.
ओके. हैव यू एवर वर्कड इन अ टीम?
Yes, ma'am. I do the teamwork with my college friends in project work.
Okay. So do you guide them? Are you the leader during in that team,
No,
or?
ma'am. I am in the team, ma'am. Not I am a leader.
Okay. Has it ever happened that your ideas were not listened by the team?
No, ma'am. Everyone should ask to all members, to 10 team members. We lastly correct the one only what we share all members to take a one thing, ma'am.
Okay. What happens if your idea is not selected?
No, ma'am. My idea is not selected. That's been my ideas more than better another person's ideas, ma'am.
आपके आइडिया अच्छे हैं दूसरे लोगों से, लेकिन तब भी सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए.
कोई तो कमी होगा. Anyone, any fault in my idea?
Anyone, any fault?
Any
किसी में
fault
भी.
in my idea?
तो then how do you feel if your idea is not selected?
Now say this time is not selected my ideas. Another time will be select my idea.
What if your idea is never selected? Then how will you feel?
I feel sad, ma'am.
How do you convince your room teammates to select your idea?
I talk with them to take my idea to tell our sir.
So during the team work, what is your work generally?
My work in generally, me and my all team members go and collect the data to how to use a technology internet.
Okay, so collecting data is an individual talent. So if the whole team does work, then whose credit it is?
Mm, they had 4 boys. They got a credit, ma'am. Why? Because I am a girl. I can't go outside to talk with anyone.
Why
That's
not?
why another boys is got a credit, ma'am.
Why can't you go outside to talk with
My
other people?
area is not.
You're studying in a college. You must be interacting
Why?
with
Because
people, right?
now that time my father don't go outside. That says, ma'am.
पापा बाहर नहीं जाते उससे आपका क्या मतलब?
बाहर जाने नहीं देते.
Papa does not allow me to go outside.
Papa
Please
does not
repeat.
allow me to go
To go
outside.
outside. Okay.
Papa does not allow me to
Okay.
go outside.
Okay. I heard it first time. Okay. So what do you feel is more important, teamwork or individual talent?
Both are more important, ma'am. Sometimes our individuality is do our own ownership, and team members also do a lot of knowledge to gain and
In a team, what is more important, teamwork or individual talent?
teamwork, ma'am.
Okay. So why do some teams fail to achieve their goals?
They don't have a more conversation. That's why they failed, ma'am.
Can the conversations only solve all the problems in a team?
Sometimes the conversation solves some problems. Why? Because they some people can't talk the another persons to in our team. We talk all members to team. We got a win a chance to our team.
Okay. Thank you. Amira?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. How are you?
Walaikum Assalam. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Yes. What's your topic?
Equality.
Equality.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think equality is important for the smooth running of a country?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Mm, because equality means treating everyone with the same respect and dignity. It means giving equal opportunities to all and
Is everyone getting equal opportunities in the world?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone is getting equal opportunities in the world.
Yes.
Then why are some people poor and some people rich?
I don't.
If equality is there, then why are some people poor, some people rich? Why some people are respected and others are not?
I don't understand.
क्या चीज नहीं अंडरस्टैंड कर रही हैं आप?
क्या बोलना है?
वो तो मैं नहीं बता सकती, वो तो आप खुद सोचेंगे क्या बोलना है। सवाल आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो वो मैं बता देती हूँ आपको दोबारा से। क्या आपने ये कहा कि सबके साथ सबको इक्वल चांसेस मिलती हैं? तो अगर सबको इक्वल चांस मिलती है तो फिर दुनिया में लोग अमीर और गरीब क्यों हैं? किसी की इज्जत होती है, किसी की नहीं होती है, तो ऐसा क्यों है? अगर सबको बराबर चांस मिल रहा है तो ये चीजें क्यों है?
मिल नहीं रहा है, मिलनी चाहिए मैम,
हिंदी की
ये
क्लास
शुरू
नहीं
में।
है, आपने जो बोला है वो उसमें आपने ये बोला है कि सबको इक्वल चांस मिल रहा है। मैंने आपसे पूछा था इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यू सेड यस मैम एवरीवन इज गेटिंग। इसका मतलब ये है कि हाँ सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज हाउ कैन स्कूल्स प्रमोट इक्वालिटी? अमीरा,
Yes, ma'am.
हाउ कैन स्कूल्स प्रमोट इक्वालिटी?
Mm, we should mm, uh, strive for equality in education.
हाउ?
We should all people getting giving equal equal dignity.
स्कूल में कैसे करना है? ये तो बाहर की बात हो गई, स्कूल में किस तरह सिखाई जाएगी?
I don't know, ma'am.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। शमशुल इस्लाम, Shamsul Islam, if you're there, please unmute. Hello?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
Walaikum Assalam. Yes, sir. What topic have you chosen?
Yes, I have chosen a topic that is climate change.
Okay. Have you noticed any climatic changes?
Yes, yes. In our locality, in our earlier time, there is a Bengali month. I may like Ashin. Ashina. In earlier time, when I was child, in my childhood, I saw that in the month of Ashin, that is the running month, uh, there was no rainy season. There is some snow, etc., etc. In that same and starting of the winter season. But at present, yet there is no there is no scene of winter session, starting of winter session, as well as still now rainy season is continuing. So that means summer section is continuing. Another way is that uh, the mm, the sorry,
Okay. What
uh,
will happen if people
the
don't take
who,
climate changes seriously? What will
ma'am, sorry.
happen if people do not take climate changes seriously?
Yes, so many diseases will so people will face by the so many different diseases
So, what can
like
we do to
itches.
control climate changes? What can we do to control climate change?
Generally, we cannot change the climate, but it is a natural phenomenon, and
If it is a natural phenomena, then how does pollution contribute to climate change?
ma'am, I don't know about that. have to study further.
Okay, what is the reason for climate change?
I don't know about that. How does the reason, but just I know that climate change.
Okay, what can we do to at least slow the climate change?
I think pollution should be controlled. Also, pollution should be reduced, and the afforestation should be increased. Deforestation should be decreased, and other activities that are that increased. Sorry, that increases the other activities that increase the pollution rate should be controlled, should be prohibited by legally.
Why is pollution contributing to climate change?
Little bit, ma'am.
Little bit, okay. Uh, what should we do to educate people about climate change?
We have to we have to teach the common people, or have to by common awareness, either by teaching the student or by making any kind of awareness to the common people about the climate change.
Okay,
And
okay, good. Thank you. अभी किसी का अगर टर्न रह गया हो तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स, अदरवाइज वी कैन क्लोज द कॉल.